We were just driving along the road and we spotted some water coming down the side of a mountain, and we think we might have found a waterfall, maybe one that people don't even know about. So we're just going to go check it out. Take along. Just cruising around the back of here, a bit of soroi, wandering through the bush. Hello.
Hi. Lahat ko lang. Okay.
Thank you.
Ilan kayo doon? Wala nang problema dyan. Doon. Kasi dito lang rin ako baka isasaktan. Lahat ko lang.
So, he seems to think there might be a waterfall up here. I don't know if anyone even knows about this. But we can definitely hear water. We can definitely hear water racing down, or you can hear it crashing. I don't know if you can hear it. But, yeah. Just walking through this mango orchard. See what we can find. A little exploration, which is always fun. God, we just found this millipede. It's enormous. It's like the size of my finger. Put the slipper next to it again. Oh look, it's been crushed a little bit. Look, there you go.
Oh, it's crushed. The tail.
My God, so big. All the insects here are so big. Look. Wow, it's getting really loud now. It rains quite a lot overnight. It rained for probably 48 hours from now, yesterday, till now, today. So, yeah, pretty much all night, just rained. So, there's plenty of water around. I'd imagine, like it rained, like medium, all for 48 hours. It just didn't stop. So this is a good time to find these sort of things. Man, it sounds really loud now. A bit of catty grass. It gets funky with. You can hear it now. Wow. Cool little area here, but you can definitely hear more of it coming down. Okay, so I've managed to find my way to the other side. There's a little pool down there, and it's sort of cascading down there behind me. Definitely think there might be something further up. Yeah, I'm sort of teetering here on a rock. I'll keep looking, see if I can go any higher. Made it up to the next level. You can see where it's cut its way down through the mountainside there, and then runs down here, all the way down past Jimbo, all the way down, everyone else is standing down the bottom. Quite cool. It's only a little sort of river waterfall thing. I'm not sure if I can go any further though. I don't think I can. But I don't think there's any other way to go any further up. Because I want to get up around that corner if I can. But let's I'm going to have another bit of a look around and see if I can get any further. So we've sort of got as far as we can. You can see the water racing down the edge there. And races through. Yeah. We'd have to go bushwhacking, I think, if we want to go further up. But yeah, we can't find a way through. So we couldn't get to the top. We got up around the corner further, just up there, and couldn't quite get around the corner. We climbed up the hill a bit, but my legs are a bit dodgy at the moment, so I couldn't go any further. So, but there's this little cave here. Look, someone's tried to dig a tunnel into the edge of the waterfall. So maybe someone was looking for Yamashita's treasure, or maybe the Japanese dug that themselves. We don't know, but it's definitely definitely the start of a tunnel. So this is a pretty cool waterfall. Pretty cool for around here. We don't really have a lot of waterfalls, so just to find this was pretty cool. So anyway, yeah, that's our little expedition for the day. So yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. We hope to sort of share these. I mean, it's not much of a waterfall, but I mean, it's still quite a cool little adventure just to sort of wander in here and have a look around. I'm sure further up is probably something more spectacular, but it's just so hard to get up there. Maybe another time. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.